हेलो, गुड इवनिंग दसारी।
Good evening, sir.
नंबर 4 वाले में डाउट आपको?
Yes, yes, sir.
ठीक है, 1 मिनट आप दो, मैं पहले फिगर बना लेता हूँ।
Sir, can you explain in English?
ओके ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन इंग्लिश। You just give me a minute, I just draw the diagram. After that I will
Okay, sir.
explain you. Okay, my diagram is ready. Now, before starting, do you know about linear pair? Linear
Yes,
pair of
sir.
angles. Okay, so we will use that property here. Okay, linear pair.
Yes,
What
sir.
does linear pair state? Linear pair states that on a straight line from a single point, if two or more angles are formed, then on adding all those three angles, we will get uh,
180
180 degree.
degrees.
Okay, same concept we will use here. You can see that AOB is our straight line, and from straight line from a single point O, total three angles are formed. One, two,
And
and three.
DOB, sir.
Yes. So now adding these three angles, you should get a value. You should get the answer as 180. Okay.
180.
By by which property? By linear pair property. Is this clear? This part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we will write here now angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD. On adding all these three angles, we should get 180. And in bracket, you write the reason for which using what property we can say that. We can say that by using linear pair property.
Linear pair
Linear pair.
property.
Okay. So the value of AOC given in the question is 50 degree.
Yes, sir.
COD is X that we need to find, and BOD is 70 degree
70, sir.
is equal to 180. Now on the left hand side there are two numbers, so we will add them up. So on adding these two numbers, we will get 50 plus
120,
70,
sir.
120. Yes, 120 degree is equal to 180.
180.
Now we need to find the value of x. So what we will do, from the left hand side, we will shift the number 120 to the right hand side. Okay, we will
Yes,
shift it
sir.
to the right hand side. So on shifting a number from left to right, what will happen? The value of
The
the sign of
value
120.
will become minus,
The,
sir.
yes, yes, absolutely right. So it will become 180 minus 120. So on solving, you will get x is equal to 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. So you can say that the angle COD in the figure is 60 degree.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt at any point? Have you understood?
No, sir. I have understood, sir.
Okay. If you feel any doubt at any point, then you can ask. Okay, I will help you out.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Bye. And
Bye, sir.